Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you use your desktop SSD drive with your laptop. Normally you cannot use desktop hard drive with your laptop because you have the different hardware. For your laptop you have smaller hardware, either it's a RAM or it's a hard drive, and for the desktop you have a larger hardware, either it's a RAM or the hard drive. I'm talking about this SSD drive. So I have a workstation. I'm using this SSD drive in my workstation. So now if you want to access the hard drive without your PC, I'm talking about with your laptop. So how can you do that? So if you want to use the SSD drive for your laptop, then definitely you need the extra component. So as you can see, this is the hard drive enclosure. You can use your SSD drive with this device. So first of all, we're gonna unbox this one and then we let you know that how can you use this SSD drive with the help of this device for your laptop. Okay guys, so now as you can see, this is the hard drive enclosure, 2.5 inches, and it's a 5 GB up to you. So you have a USB 3.0 and tool free. You don't need any tool to install this SSD enclosure. Fine. So I'm gonna unbox. Let me open. So now as you can see, this is your enclosure where you can add your SSD drive. We will show you that how can you do that. Okay, fine. The second thing is, here is your cable. So with the help of this cable, you can transfer your data or you can access your SSD drive. So let me open this one. Now as you can see, this is the cable. Okay, fine. I'm just going to tell you. So this is your USB cable. Wait for a few seconds, and now you have few documentations. You have the warranty card. As you can see, this is, you can also check either this product is original or not by using the QR code. Okay, so now this is the manual that how can you use this hard drive enclosure. Fine. Okay, now let me open this enclosure. So I will tell you that how can you do that. So this is the SSD drive. So now as you can see, this is the 128 GB SSD drive I'm gonna use with my laptop. So now let me open this one. It's just tight. Okay, now in this way you can open this hard drive enclosure. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So now as you can see, this is your hard drive enclosure, and here these are the ports, or you can say the SSD drive ports. And now let me show you. So this is the hard drive and these are the ports, and we're gonna use these ports here in this hard drive enclosure. So just use like this. That's it. We have successfully installed. Now close the box. Let me close the box. Okay, fine. I have closed the box. Now how can you access it? You can access by the help of this cable. So now as you can see, this is the cable. Let me insert. Okay, fine. No. Okay. In this way you can insert this cable or use this cable with your hard drive enclosure. Okay, now I'm going to use this USB to access my laptop. Okay, now as you can see, this is the USB drive I'm going to use here. Once you add the USB drive, it will blink So now as you can see, it's blinking. That means it's reading your data. So here as you can see, this is the data. I have installed the iOS in this hard drive, so that's why it's showing me the files. Let me copy some files. So this is the image I'm going to copy. Let me paste this here. I have pasted this. So as you can see, this is the photo I'm accessing. Okay guys, so in this way you can access your SSD hard drive for your laptop with the help of this hard drive enclosure. So I hope guys you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.